Hi. Did you know that we produce more concrete than all the other materials combined? More concrete than all the other materials combined. Concrete is a massive industry, and it plays a crucial role in modern society. But the concrete industry is under immense pressure. Margins are in the single digits and continuously shrinking. It's killing our climate with 3 times more emission than the aviation industry. And despite all of this, the industry has barely evolved for decades and is still missing out on the benefit of the AI revolution. My name is Mathieu Bauchy. I'm a professor in civil engineering at UCLA, and after 10 years of research, we found a solution to those 3 problems. Introducing Concrete Copilot, a software as a service powered by AI, specifically designed for concrete producers. In just 1 year, the first client that used Concrete Copilot was able to save more than $1 million and to reduce their carbon emission by 10,000 tons of CO2. So how does it work, and how does it generate those savings? Well, producing concrete is like baking a cake. You need to mix some raw ingredients together with precisely the right proportions. But there is no one-size-fits-all recipe for concrete. Every project needs a custom recipe to meet specific performance targets. So our patented generative AI creates the most optimal, cost-optimized recipe for any project in seconds, using the materials and the plants producers already have. So what does it mean for our clients? On average, they see a whopping 80% increase in their profit margin, but also a drop of 30% in their carbon emission. So producers become both greener and more profitable. We're targeting the massive global concrete market, and with our proven results, we estimate that we can help the industry save $60 billion annually. And with our subscription-based model, we charge producers with a fee that accounts for a quarter of the savings they generate. So we have an annual target revenue of $15 billion. To achieve those goals, we have built our team as a unique blend of academic experts and industry veterans. And this has allowed us to develop a tool that is truly disruptive, but also meets the real needs of the industry. Over the past 12 months, we have made some significant progress towards those goals. We've built the world's largest concrete data set, and this really gives us a competitive edge in the industry. We have secured a patent protecting our core generative AI technology. We have signed 4 major concrete producers in the US as paying customers. We have deployed our technology at 30 plants across North America, and we have already optimized more than 3 million cubic yards of concrete. So if you're excited about vertical AI solutions that drive both sustainability and profitability, then we invite you to join us. We are looking for strategic partners to help us reach more clients, more plants, and more countries. We just concluded a seed round, and we are planning for a Series A raise next year. Thank you.